Welcome to ExpertTrain's one-day Microsoft Excel VBA Introduction course. The aim of this course is to provide a foundational understanding of VBA in Excel, empowering you to automate repetitive tasks, optimize workflows, and enhance Excel's capabilities through custom programming. This course is designed for experienced Excel users who are comfortable creating and working with workbooks, including entering formulas, using cell references, and creating pivot tables and charts. By the end of this course, you will be able to use the macro recorder to automate tasks. Write and edit basic VBA code to create subroutines and functions. Work with programming elements such as variables, loops, and conditional statements. Handle errors in VBA code and optimize performance. Develop custom solutions to simplify complex worksheet tasks. This course is available on public scheduled dates and is delivered virtually using Microsoft Teams, allowing you to attend from the comfort of your home or office. If you have multiple staff members who would like to attend, we can also arrange a private group course, either virtually or in person at your location. Our trainers are based in the UK, and our standard course timings are 9:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. However, we can adjust these timings for private group courses, which can be especially beneficial for those joining from overseas. A full list of topics covered on this course can be found on our website. If you would like any further information regarding this course or to make a booking, please email inquiries@experttrain.co.uk. ExpertTrain, your pathway to excellence in IT and professional development.